Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'll be showing you how to deposit money to Swapnex. So first thing you gotta do is like and subscribe. Now that that is out of the way, you can sign in. Just keep in mind that you need $50 to trade. So I'm gonna put my two-factor authentication code and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you're inside the wallet, you just go here to add balance. Earlier I put $10 in to test, and now I'm going to deposit again. So add balance. Let's see what else is left in here. $8.21. So let's just put that in. $8.21 here. Top off. Make sure you use USDT and TRC20. I'm copying that. And as you can see, this is the balance I have here. So in FTX, if you're interested in joining, the link will be in the description. And then you can just hit withdraw here. And amount, so put the max amount. Just hit max. I'm just gonna put the address in here. Withdraw, we can use Tron, TRC20. Put the withdrawal password and the two-factor authentication code. Hit withdraw. Okay, as you can see, my balance is now 0. And now I'm just gonna wait for the 3 confirmations, and then it will be shown in this balance. The balance will be updated to 1821. Okay, so now the balance is updated here. Okay, so that is how you just deposit with Swapnex.io. And if you are interested in joining my team, the link will be in the description below. And with that being said, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.